Namaste students. Now we will discuss comparing and ordering of fractions. How to compare fractions and how to arrange them either in ascending or descending order. Okay. First we will compare the like fraction. Comparing of like fraction. So I will take one example so that you will clear. Suppose three rectangles are here, and each rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, there are 3 rectangles, and each rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. Suppose A has colored 3 parts, B has colored 2 parts, and C has colored 4 parts. Clear? A has colored 3 parts, B has colored 2 parts, 3 has colored 4 parts. Out of the 5, that means A has colored 3 by 5, B has colored 2 by 5, C has colored 4 by 5. Clear? Now see, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. They are like fractions. Why they are like fractions? Because their denominator is same. Clear? Now can you tell me who has colored the maximum parts? Who has colored the larger parts? Very good. C has colored the larger parts. Then after C, who has colored among A and B? Yes, then A, then B. Clear? From this example, how can you know that which fraction is larger, which is smaller? If their denominator is same. Okay? If their denominator is same, the numerator having larger value is greater than the other. Clear beta? Here see, all the 3 have same denominator. C, in case of C, numerator is 4. In case of B, numerator is 2. In case of A, numerator is 3. That means 4 is greater than 3, greater than 2. That means 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5, greater than 2 by 5. Clear? Then if the fractions are like, the numerator having larger value is greater. Okay, if the fractions are like, if they are like fractions, the numerator having larger value is greater, like 4 greater than 3 greater than 2. That means, so 4 by 5 greater than 3 by 5 greater than 2 by 5. Clear? Now they are arranged in descending order. Okay? Suppose I will tell you 1 by 10, 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 4 by 10, 2 by 10, 6 by 10. Now arrange them in ascending order. See, all the fractions are like fractions. Yes or no? All fractions are like. So just we have to compare their numerators now, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. That means 1 less than 2 less than 4 less than 5 less than 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 less than 7. That means 1 by 10 less than 2 by 10 less than 4 by 10 less than 5 by 10 less than 6 by 10 less than 7 by 10. Now they are arranged in ascending order. I think now you are clear about the comparing and ordering in case of like fraction. It's easy. Clear? If the fractions are like, just compare their numerator and you can arrange them. But if the fractions are unlike, what we have to do? Comparing unlike fraction. Comparing unlike fraction. Suppose there are two circles. Okay, one circle we have divided into equal 3 parts. One circle is divided into equal 3 parts, and one circle is divided into equal 4 parts. Okay, now A has colored one part of this circle and B has colored one part of this circle. Circle 1, circle 2. A has colored circle one part of circle A and B has colored one part of circle 2. Okay, A has colored one part of circle 1 and B has colored one part of circle 2. Who has, both circles are same size. Both circles are same size. We have just divide first circle in 3 parts and A has colored one part, and the second circle divided in 4 parts and B has colored one part. Then who has colored the maximum part of the circle? You can know from this example. We have divided circle 1 into 3 parts, equal 3 parts. Okay, and A has colored one part, and we have divided the circle 2 into equal 4 parts and B has colored one part. Now from this example, can you tell me who has colored the maximum part of the circle? Very good. A has colored maximum, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. A has colored maximum part. From this example, what you will know? If the numerator are same, then the denominator having the smaller value is larger. The denominator having the smaller value is larger. First, we are comparing unlike fractions with same numerator. Here we are comparing unlike fraction with same numerator. In this case, both fractions are having same numerator, and which one is larger? The denominator having the larger value. If the unlike fractions have same numerator, if the unlike fractions have same numerator, the denominator having smaller value is larger. Clear? Here is 1 by 3, here is 1 by 4. In case of A, 1 by 3, in case of B, 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 is larger. Clear? Now I will 1 by 3 between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. 3 is less than 4, so 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4 according to the rule. If the numerator are same, the denominator having the smaller value is the larger fraction. Okay. Now I will give example. 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 1 by 8, 1 by 6. Now arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to larger. Now see, because the number having larger value is the smaller one. Yes or no? The number having larger value is the smaller one, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. So 12 greater than 10, greater than 8, greater than 6, greater than 5, greater than 2. 12 greater than 10, greater than 8, greater than 6, greater than 5, greater than 2. That's why 1 by 12 less than 1 by 10, less than 1 by 8, less than 1 by 6, less than 1 by 5, less than 1 by 2. Now they are arranged in ascending order. Like this, you can arrange them in descending order also. Suppose another example we can take. Your number is 2 by 5, 2 by 3, 2 by 8, 2 by 9. Now arrange them in descending order. You know the denominator having smaller value is larger fraction. That means 2 by 3 greater than 2 by 5 greater than 2 by 8 greater than 2 by 9. Clear? Like this you have to arrange in ascending and descending order if they have same numerator. Now we will discuss the case in which numerator is also different. In first case we have discussed about the like fraction in which all the denominators are same. Second case we have discussed the unlike fraction where the numerator is same but denominators are different. And third case where the numerators are also different. Numerator and denominator both are different, and it has two methods. Okay. Unlike fraction with different numerators. Unlike fraction with different numerators. It has two methods. First is your method 1. Suppose two fractions are there, 2 by 5 and 5 by 8. 2 by 5 and 5 by 8. The first method is very easy. We just do cross multiplication. Okay, we have to do cross multiplication. Numerator of first one with denominator of second 2 into 8. Okay, that equal to 16. Now we will do 5 into 5, that equal to 25. Both 2 and 8. First numerator, second denominator, second numerator, first denominator. Just do cross multiplication. Okay, and check the value. If here see 16 is less than 25, that means 2 by 5 is less than 5 by 8.